Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and these powder puffs right here have been a game changer for my last step of my makeup routine, which is my finishing powders. These obviously would work for a bunch of different facial powders such as blush, highlighter, contour, etc. But I personally like to use these as my finishing powder step. And I really like that you got a pretty decent surface area here. One pack can cover pretty much half my cheek. But what's really cool about a product like this is, yeah, you got the base to cover your face, but you also got this little triangle right here, which is perfect for getting in the inner corners, around the nose, around, the sensitive parts of, or the smaller parts of your lips, so that you can really get perfect coverage while using this product. And that is what I would say I get. I absolutely love using this product. It works great. It looks pretty. It's nice and soft and comfortable. It's a lot of fun to use. It elevates the makeup routine, and I highly recommend that you check it out yourself. And that is my point of view.